Miss Marple, I absolutely forbid you to...
Damn the torpedoes. Full speed ahead, Mr. Stringer. Thank you, laddie.
Can I help you with your bag, sir?
Oh, no. No, thank you.
May I?
Oh, certainly, ma'am.
Push off forward. Give way together, lads.
Look at it. Will you look at it? Reefer jacket, brass buttons, tree-corn hat. Who does she think she is? Neptune's mother? All right, Connington, pipe. Pipe, 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 pipe! De Courcy Rumsden, ma'am.
Marple, Captain.
Welcome aboard Battledore.
Thank you.
May I introduce you to my officers?
By all means.
Commander Breeze Connington, ma'am.
How do you do?
Organization and accounts.
Lieutenant Commander Dimchurch, ma'am.
How do you do?
Navigation and seamanship. Lieutenant Captain, ma'am.
How do you do?
Discipline and character building.
Sub-Lieutenant Humbert, madam.
How do you do?
Physical training.
And?
We find that's quite enough, ma'am.
Assistant Matron Shirley Boston, ma'am.
How do you do?
Yes, and last but not least...
Matron First Class, Fanbraid. How do you do? First class.
Yes, yes. First class. Yes, well, that went pretty smoothly. Now, ma'am, may I, on behalf of the rest of the crew, offer our sincere condolences on the loss of your fellow trustee.
Thank you very much, Captain.
Well, I don't want to waste your time any more than you do, so here's my program. Just a minute. Humbert! Come here. Thank you. 1730 to 1830, that's ours.
Naturally.
There's a tour of instructional classes, 15 minutes for wash and a brush-up, then 1845 to 1945, drinks and cold collation in the wardroom. 2000 to 2100, sea shanties by port watch of hands. 2135, I personally see you aboard the last bus to Milchester.
I really thought that...
Excuse me. Miller!
Sir?
What are you doing with that?
Carrying it, sir.
It's mine, Captain.
Yours?
Yes, my sea bag, you know.
See